Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're doing Italian cookies biscotti. You can make these any kind of flavor you like. I'm doing a vanilla maple salted flavor. What we're going to need is 2 cups of flour. Put that into our KitchenAid mixing bowl. 1 stick of soft butter. Put that into our bowl. We're going to put 3 eggs into the bowl. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt as well, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon of maple flavor, 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Then we're going to put our paddle on our machine. And we're going to let this mix for about 4 to 5 minutes. And while that's mixing, if I can remind you to please share, subscribe, hit the bell to stay up to date on recipes. Leave a comment if you can, it really helps. And once we have our dough right about there, we'll stop our machine. We'll take the dough out, and we're going to knead it for a few minutes on the bench. Now you can add any flavors you want. Traditional anise flavor with almonds. You can put some peanut butter and chocolate chips in there. You can put some lemon flavor, whatever you like, however you like your biscotti. It doesn't matter. Just put the flavors in there, and that's what you're going to get. So once we have that kneaded out, we're going to roll it out into one nice log. And then we'll cut that in half. And then we'll shape each half. Make sure you get the ends nice and smooth. And we're going to get these rolled out and then put them on our baking sheet. I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. So we'll pop these in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Then take them out and let them cool for about 20 minutes. Then get a nice sharp serrated knife, and you're going to cut these into about 1/2-inch slices. Don't worry, when you cut these, you're going to have a lot of crumbs. Not to worry. Once you have them sliced, you're going to lay them on their side back on the baking sheet. Then you're going to pop them back in the oven at 325 for another 25 to 30 minutes. And that's it. That's how you make biscottis. It's a nice Italian cookie. It's crunchy, great for dipping in your coffee. They're delicious. Everybody's going to love them. All right, enjoy this recipe and come back often. Thank you.